This case is cheap, but this one's expensive. Which one's actually worth your money? So this official strap case from Samsung is $48.99, and this one from Olixar is only $19.99. So what are you actually gaining for that extra money? Let's take a look at Samsung's offer. So this case is $48.99. Now that is a lot of money for anyone, regardless of the price of this phone. Now it is very nicely made. I will say that. It feels good and sturdy in the hands, and even when the phone's not in it, it doesn't feel like flexible or cheap at all. Now the case's main USP is this strap that sort of pushes down from the top, and you can slide your fingers through so you can easily hold your phone. Another advantage of this strap is that you can actually stand the phone up. So underneath the strap, you've got this orange color. Personally, I really like it. Now the strap does almost fit completely flush with the case, but it's just a few millimeters out. This is a little bit annoying as it does sort of sit a little bit slanted on a desk. It doesn't really rock around too much, but it's something I feel like Samsung could have solved with a little bit more effort. Now, looking at the rest of the case, the buttons are just made out of silicone, so there's nothing special going on here. It feels odd that this is almost £50. Personally, I don't also like silicone cases. They're a little bit too grippy in my opinion when you're putting them in your jeans, and over time they just tend to get all grubby. Let's look at what £20 gets you though. If you've seen previous Samsung strap cases, this will look very familiar. You have this nice big strap going down the center, and you can easily just slide your fingers through it to get more grip over the phone. Overall, I think it's a design that I really liked when Samsung did it. However, this version definitely feels a little bit cheaper. However, that's not to say it's bad. They've changed some things here that I personally prefer over the previous official one. For a start, the case is actually just made of plastic. It's a nice soft touch plastic as well, so it feels quite nice in the hand. And instead of skimping on cheap buttons here, they've just left a nice cutout for you to use, the original hardware buttons. This is a big plus for me. The cameras also have a nice amount of protection, with all of the 5 lenses having their own bezel around as well. This is something that is missing from the official case. Now, the previous official Samsung one, this strap was made out of a fabric. Personally, I really like the fabric. However, there's one thing that this case does that previous one didn't. That's doubling as a stand. Because this strap is a lot sturdier than the previous material that Samsung used, it means you can actually stand up your S24 Ultra and catch up with content. Something that's really handy on a big screen device like this. So as you can see, this case basically ticks off all of the USPs that the official case had as well. The case in the hands feels just as expensive as this case. The only thing I would say is maybe this strap just feels a little bit plasticky rather than leather. Overall, I think it's a lovely case. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Something I love about it is the cutout for the buttons. However, this also leaves them exposed if you drop the phone. That's an expensive repair bill if you do drop it. So if I was to pick one of these cases to purchase myself, I would personally pick this one from Olixar. I do really like this Samsung one. However, I personally just can't get over the use of silicone here and the fact that it's almost £50. To purchase these cases, check out the links in the description. Let me know in the comments below which case you would choose. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like and subscribe as well.